What it do, YouTube? This your boy Richie Rich Mo back at it again with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. We're growing every single day. And if you're new to the channel, I really need your support by you clicking that thumbs up. And if you're an OG subscriber, make sure you guys show some love, share the videos. Today we are doing something super epic. We are going down to Hayward. We're going to Extreme Online Store, and they basically sell aftermarket parts for all cars. And we are going to pick up the window visors for the RSX today. And then tomorrow we have the red emblem badges, which is the Type R badges. We are receiving them tomorrow. Shout out to my partners that I used to work with when I used to sell aftermarket parts. So they are sending it in tomorrow. So we're gonna have the Type R red badges for the RSX tomorrow. Today we were going to get the window visors. I'm going straight to the warehouse where they don't let people go, but they let me go since we have partnership and stuff. Anyways, we're going to go do that, and then after that, later on today, we're going to do a bumper cut delete, and it's going to be super dope, super epic, super many. So let's go outside and let's talk about it. This car is about to get even better. I'm gonna drive the 86 right now, saving the gas because a little later on today, I gotta drive to the homie Mike's house. He's gonna help me do the bumper cut. And yeah, so the badges are coming. So this badge is going off, the back badge is going off, and we're gonna be putting the red emblems on there, like the Type R. Let's get in this car. Yeah, check that out right there. All right, you guys, so I made it to the warehouse. Got the window visors that I need for the RSX. I love this brand. EOS visors. This is dope. There's actually real nice. So got this. He told me that he has a carbon fiber version of the OEM wing. So this black wing, I can get a carbon fiber version of it. They sell them here. So he told me I can get that. So that would be nice to get a carbon fiber aftermarket ducktail. Instead of having black, I have carbon on carbon. So I think that might happen. He gave me a good deal for that. But yeah, like I said, we got these. I like this. I like their brand right here. There's some more nicer compared to a lot of the ones I've seen. Better material. Nice. All right, guys. So I finally made it back to the crib, and we're about to fix the RSX. The RSX definitely needed this. And let me show you why it needed it. Eventually, I'm gonna take it to the body shop, but I don't know. I just don't like how the fadage is right here, especially like this bullshit. When I bought it, I don't know who think they could paint, and then this shit's just nasty. So eventually, I'm gonna end up getting rid of these seals. I'm actually gonna look and see how much I can get that replaced. Eventually, I'm gonna take this whole shit off and get a carbon fiber piece. But yeah, but this I wanted to get it a little more aggressive looking. And I do still have I have a red tow hook that we're gonna put on here, and then from there we got the tow hook in the car already. Ben got that. The wheels are on their way. Just waiting for them to ship the wheels. The wheels I got is super dope. Go in the comments right now and let me know what color wheel you think I'm getting, bronze or white. So that's the two colors that I'm going with, and we're gonna be replacing that. But anyways, what we're gonna do is, let's go here, open up this car. Yes, sir. We got the window. Got the window visors. I love this brand. Shout out to the bros over there at EOS. I've been rocking with them for years, and I used to buy a lot of stuff with them with the Civic hatchback, and I basically made it like to the Honda Civic Type R. But yeah, so that's what it is. So what I'm gonna do is right now I'm going to prep it. It comes with shit, where'd I put it at? Hold on. Damn, where the hell did I put this shit at? Oh. So it comes with this little alcohol wipes. So basically what you're gonna do is, if you put yours on, if you haven't did it, you're gonna clean all of this, wipe all that down, because the adhesive is on here. You're gonna put the 3M and line it up on here. So like I said, you wanna make sure you wipe from here from here all the way down, and then we go to the other side of the car. And then on the other side of the car, like I said, we're gonna clean from here. You're gonna work your way all the way to right here, and then it's gonna cover that whole thing up. But like I said, this part needs to get fixed. The main thing I don't like about my car, like I said, is the driver's side. You guys can see that we got like a little yellowish right there and clear coat peeling. And it's really on the driver's side, but anywhere else around the car, it's not bad. Honestly, it's not bad, but I like a perfectionist, and I just don't like how that looks. So, and another thing that's common with RSXs is rusting, but this car came from Virginia, so it snows and rain a lot out there. And then I do have another modification that's coming tomorrow. It's going to be the Honda Type R red badges. So eventually what I'm thinking about is I might most likely take the ACURA off, and I'm thinking about leaving that on, or I'm taking that RSX off, and then I'm gonna debadge that and put the red badge on. Today I'm going down to Mike's house. We're gonna basically do a bumper cut delete. So we're gonna chop off the bottom of that and go crazy with it, man. But anyways, let me get this done, taken care of. We're gonna wipe this whole thing down, well, the mirrored edges, and then I'm gonna install it and show you guys how the car looks. Shout out to EOS for hooking your boy up, and we're gonna get these taken care of, and let's do it. All right, guys, so as you guys can see, we did one side already. I definitely love their brand. They have nice stuff. And stay tuned, we got something coming up for the Mustang. We got something super dope with them, and going to get a new hood, but stay tuned for that. But anyways, this is real good. I like the quantity. ESO, super nice. It definitely gives it more of a definitely, you know, it's like little things you do to your car, it can definitely make it pop even more, and that's definitely dope. It just changed the whole dynamic look of the car, as you guys can see. It's nice. Yes, sir. So I definitely like their brand, and as you guys can see how it looks over there and how it looks over here, it's a major, just a little extra, little something a little bit nicer, you know what I'm saying? Just a little bit of a hit of something nicer. I like that though. Super easy to do. But yeah, I like the quality way much more. See how it looks from afar. Yeah, it's dope. I like it. It looks real good, clean. Yeah, I like that. So let me do the other side, and we'll go from there. But it definitely looks good. I like it. As you guys can see, did the other side. Definitely like this brand. Like I said, I bought stuff before with them. Eventually I'm gonna end up getting all this shit repaired and replaced, but for the time being, I just want to put the little visors on. Looks real good. I'm gonna clean this off too, because I had put some tape on here. Long story anyways, but it looks good. It just gave it a nice little oomph to it, you know what I'm saying? Nice little look. Sometimes the littlest things makes a big difference. So yeah, I definitely like it. Yes, sir. Ain't not that expensive either. Yeah. So I like how it looks. Came out good. Yes, sir. I like it. Came out good.